Have you ever walked through a garden, surrounded by a rainbow of blossoms, and felt a wave of happiness wash over you? Sometimes, just breathing in the fragrant air can lift your spirits, making you feel lighter and more at peace, almost as if the world slows down for a moment. The sweet, delicate smell of flowers has enchanted people for thousands of years, weaving its way into our cultures, traditions, and daily lives. We fill our homes and gardens with vibrant blooms, give bouquets to loved ones to express feelings words can't capture, and cherish their scents as a source of comfort and joy. Floral fragrances can spark vivid memories, shift our moods, and even inspire creativity, sometimes energizing us, other times helping us unwind after a long day. But why do these scents affect us so deeply, reaching into our hearts and minds in ways few other things can? Our sense of smell is unique, directly connected to the parts of our brain that control memory and emotion, making it one of the most powerful senses we have. When you inhale a flower's scent, tiny, invisible molecules travel up your nose, instantly triggering powerful feelings and memories, sometimes before you even realize it. That's why a single whiff can transport you back to a childhood summer, a joyful celebration, or a moment of peace you thought you'd forgotten. Smelling flowers is more than just enjoying a pleasant aroma. It's a direct connection to nature, a way to ground ourselves, and a tradition as old as humanity itself. Each time you pause to smell a flower, you're participating in a universal, ancient ritual shared by people across cultures and generations. It's a small miracle, a plant's invisible invitation to pause, breathe deeply, and savor the beauty and wonder that surrounds us every day. So the next time you catch a floral scent drifting on the breeze, remember, it's nature's way of making you smile and a gentle reminder to enjoy life's simple pleasures. The magic of a flower's scent is actually pure science. What seems like an enchanting spell is really a fascinating process happening right before our eyes, every time we stop to smell a blossom. Flowers are tiny factories, mixing sunlight, water, and air to create their unique fragrances. Through photosynthesis, they transform simple ingredients into a complex array of chemicals, each with its own role and purpose. These scents are made of molecules. Think of them as ingredients in a recipe. Just as a chef combines spices to create a signature dish, flowers blend different molecules to craft their distinctive aromas. Each flower has its own special blend, which is why a rose smells different from a lily. Even closely related flowers can have surprisingly different scents, thanks to subtle changes in their chemical recipes. These molecules, called volatile organic compounds or VOCs, are light enough to float through the air and reach our noses. They're released in tiny amounts, yet they travel far and wide, carrying messages across gardens and fields. When we smell a flower, our brains decode these molecules as sweet, spicy, or fresh. Our sense of smell is incredibly sensitive, able to detect even the faintest whiff of these natural perfumes. The exact mix of VOCs gives each flower its signature scent. This unique combination is like a fingerprint, making every flower species, and sometimes even individual flowers, distinct. It's a complex process, perfected over millions of years. Evolution has shaped these scents not just for beauty, but for survival, attracting pollinators and even deterring pests. So, when you enjoy a flower's fragrance, you're experiencing its chemical language. It's a silent conversation between plant and world, inviting us to take part. Volatile means these molecules easily become gas, and organic means they're made of carbon, the building block of life. This chemistry is at the heart of every living thing, connecting us to the natural world in ways we often overlook. Understanding this chemistry reveals that a flower's scent is a masterpiece of natural engineering. It's a blend of art and science, crafted by nature's own hand. It's not just a pretty smell, it's a carefully crafted message. Every whiff tells a story of adaptation, survival, and connection. Nature's chemistry is more fascinating than magic. The next time you breathe in a flower's scent, remember, you're witnessing a scientific marvel, hidden in plain sight. Let's zoom in on the rose, one of the world's most beloved flowers. The classic rose scent is actually a blend of hundreds of chemical compounds, but just a few key molecules create that unmistakable rosy aroma. Beta-damascenone gives roses their deep, sweet, fruity notes, even in tiny amounts. Rose oxides add a fresh, green, slightly metallic edge. Geraniol brings a sweet, citrusy floral touch. Together, these molecules form a complex, layered fragrance, like a team of artists painting a masterpiece. The balance of these chemicals changes with the type of rose, time of day, and even the weather. That's why some roses smell sweeter or spicier than others. This unique chemical recipe is the rose's identity card, written in the language of molecules. Scientists can recreate these scents in a lab, but capturing the living rose's exact balance is incredibly hard. Nature's chemistry is elegant, precise, and nearly impossible to duplicate. Flowers aren't just pretty, they have a vital job, making seeds for the next generation. Every petal, every color, and every scent is part of a grand strategy to ensure their survival and the continuation of their species. But flowers can't move from place to place, so they've developed a remarkable way to reach out to the world around them. They need help moving pollen, so they send out scented messages, chemical signals that drift through the air, sometimes traveling great distances. A flower's fragrance is like an invisible signpost, calling out to pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. These scents are unique to each species, acting as a secret code that only certain pollinators can understand. These animals follow the scent, find nectar, and in the process, carry pollen from flower to flower. It's a win-win. Pollinators get food, and flowers get to reproduce. This partnership is called pollination, and it's essential for the flower's survival. Without it, many plants wouldn't be able to produce seeds or fruit. The scent is a tool for communication, a way for a stationary plant to interact with the world. It's a silent broadcast, reaching out to potential partners in the ecosystem. Different flowers time their scents for different pollinators. Some release fragrance at night for moths, others during the day for bees. This timing ensures the right pollinator gets the message at the perfect moment. The strength and timing of a flower's scent are carefully tuned to attract the right visitors. Some flowers even change their scent throughout the day, adapting to who's nearby. The beautiful aroma we enjoy is actually a survival strategy. What smells sweet to us is a powerful lure for pollinators, guiding them to the source. Each flower's scent is a message, perfectly crafted for its pollinators. It's a blend of chemistry and evolution, honed over millions of years. It's a silent, invisible conversation between plants and animals, a dialogue that shapes entire ecosystems. Next time you smell a flower, remember, you're eavesdropping on nature's secret language, a code that's been whispered for ages. The world of flowers is alive with chemical messages, each one telling a story of survival, attraction, and connection. Their scents are the voices of the plant kingdom, speaking in a language we're only just beginning to understand. Imagine the world through a bee's nose. For bees, scents are like road signs, guiding them to the best flowers. Bees can distinguish hundreds of floral scents and learn which ones promise the richest nectar. A strong, sweet scent signals a fresh, rewarding flower. Bees use scent to find the right flowers and avoid wasting energy. What attracts a bee might not appeal to us. Bees love simple, sweet smells, often from blue or violet flowers. The scent tells bees what's on the menu and how much nectar is left. This relationship is the result of millions of years of coevolution. Flowers have fine-tuned their scents to attract their favorite pollinators. Bees have become experts at reading these chemical cues. It's a win-win, flowers get pollinated and bees get fed. The air is filled with the scent of this ancient partnership. Roses aren't the only stars in the garden. Each flower has its own chemical story. Jasmine's scent is rich and sweet thanks to a molecule called indole, which is intoxicating in small amounts. Lilies have a bold, spicy fragrance, with linalool and benzyl acetate creating their powerful aroma. Lavender's calming scent comes from linalool and linalool acetate, giving it a clean, herbal note. Each flower's unique blend attracts different pollinators and creates a distinct mood for us. Roses are romantic, jasmine is intense, lilies are bold, and lavender is soothing. Nature's perfume factory is endlessly creative. Every flower is a master chemist, blending a signature cocktail of molecules. Exploring a garden is like walking through a gallery of chemical masterpieces. Each scent tells a story of survival, attraction, and beauty. The diversity of floral fragrances is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Humans have long tried to capture the fleeting beauty of flower scents. This is the art and science of perfumery. Early perfumers pressed petals in oils to absorb their fragrance, a slow, delicate process. Today, techniques like steam distillation and solvent extraction allow us to collect essential oils and absolutes from flowers. It takes thousands of petals to make just a small amount of rose oil. Modern perfumers can also recreate floral scents in the lab by blending key molecules. This makes fragrances more accessible and sustainable. Bottling a flower's scent is like capturing its soul. Perfumery is a bridge between nature and creativity, built on our understanding of floral chemistry. Every bottle of perfume is a tribute to the secret science of flowers. The magic of scent lives on, thanks to both tradition and technology. Our knowledge of floral chemistry is growing fast, opening new possibilities. Scientists can now map every molecule in a flower's scent. This helps breeders create roses that are not only beautiful, but also powerfully fragrant. Science is restoring lost scents and enhancing the flowers we love. Floral chemistry also has benefits beyond perfume. Certain scents can calm us, help us sleep, or boost concentration. Researchers are exploring how scent molecules might improve health and well-being. The future of fragrance is a partnership between nature and science. We may even use recreated scents to help endangered flowers attract pollinators. The simple joy of smelling a flower is leading to discoveries that touch every part of our lives. The secrets of scent are just beginning to unfold. From the garden to the laboratory, the story of flower fragrance is a journey of wonder. The scent of a rose is more than a pleasant smell. It's a key to joy, memory, and beauty. Flowers are master chemists, crafting unique scents to communicate with pollinators. Understanding the science behind these scents only deepens our appreciation. Each flower's aroma is a message perfected over millions of years. Next time you smell a flower, remember the invisible world within its petals. Think of the molecules carrying messages, the bees guided by scent, and the ancient partnership at work. The world is painted in scents as well as colors. By unlocking their secrets, we see nature's beauty in a new light. The joy of flowers is a gift we can cherish every day.